Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to detect network devices types using Netmiko. Okay, so let me go ahead and explain the code line by line. All right, so here in the first line, I am importing the connect handler function. This is a factory function from Netmiko. And in the second line, I'm importing the SSH detect class from Netmiko. And we can actually verify if connect handler is a function or a class by using the type function, right? So let me just get into the IPython interpreter and do that. And here I can just do connect handler type. Yes, it's a function. And this one is a class. Oops, I need to import it first. Yes, it's a class or type. So that's how you can determine if you are importing a function or a class. All right. So in this part, this is a dictionary, right? So if I do type device, yes, it's a dict. So it's a dictionary. And in the dictionary, it consists of 4 key value pairs, right? Host, this is the key, and this is the value. Device type is the key, and this is the value, and so on. Okay, so the key is a string, and the value is a string also. All right, and in this line, this is how you this is how you create a SSH object, as it says in the comment here. Okay, so this is a class and this is the parameter, right? So we are passing the device dictionary, right? And this is how you do it. Asterisk, asterisk. This is how you unpack the dictionary. And we are storing the result of this expression to a variable called guesser. So if I do this, and it's going to take a minute because it is detecting the device type. But I wanted to show you that guesser is a object. Yes, it is an object. And here, just a print statement. And here, if I copy and paste this, actually, this is how you detect or auto detect the device type, not in this line. In this line, you are just creating an object, and here this how you in this line this how you auto detect the device type, and you pass you store the device type in the variable called best match. If I do print, yeah, the device type is Nexus or Cisco Nexus in this case. So here we can see that this is the host, right? So we can see, we can tell from the host name that it's a Nexus. And by the way, the device type here is not, the device type here is, we say auto detect. So we're telling Netmiko to auto detect the device type for us. And the username is admin and password is this. Okay. And here in this line, it's a if statement. So meaning if best match is not blank or none, we can print the device type, which I will do now. Yeah, it's a device type. The device type is Cisco NXOS. And in this line, we are just updating the dictionary. This is how you update the dictionary. So the dictionary is called device, right? And we are accessing the key device type, and we are passing the device type, which is Cisco Nexus. So this is the device type. And once we have passed the correct device type, so actually if we print here, let's print device type, device, just for the sake of verifying that the device type is now, in this line, is now NXOS. And here, this is how you connect to the, this is how you create a object, a connection object called connection. And here, this is how you call the find prompt method. And if you can't connect, or if you can't detect basically this is a none or empty, we will print connect, could not connect, could not detect device type. So let me go ahead and run this code. So Python and the name of the script. Okay, so this is the print statement. So detecting device type, please wait. This is the line that is running now. And we see that we were able to auto detect the device type because this part here was executed. So this was true. And we also print the dictionary called device. So that's why we see this. So in this part, the device type is now Cisco _ NXOS as expected. And as I was explaining earlier, and this part is this line. So we are printing the prompt, or basically the host name of the network device. All right, so that's how you can auto detect network devices using Netmiko in Python. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.